Okay, so this is just a quick overview of legacy challenge projects, the main questions that students will address, and this is kind of a handy little planning canvas that is kind of a living document that they can fill out over time, and of course you can modify this to fit the needs of your class and your students. But ultimately, students will start filling this out, starting with what is the problem. You can transform this into a Google Doc or something like that to make it easier, or you could just use paper and pencil. But the idea is that they will continue to develop this so that ultimately they have a one-pager that they can explain their project to anybody, including potential project partners. So what is the problem? Why does it matter? What are we going to do about it? And what lasting contribution are we going to make? Those are the four core questions of any legacy challenge. But then also helping them clarify who they're helping, who's helping them, what materials they might need, and how they might think about monitoring progress along the way. So, what kinds of things could they do to make sure that they're on track, and then think about how can they monitor impact that they're making. So those are questions that would be explored later on, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this. Okay, then the very first thing to do is to start with these initial prompts, starting with day one, having students identify a problem and then start narrowing it down in day two, and then having students start sharing those out in days 3 through 7, and then maybe start forming teams under problems or ideas that students can group under, and then giving them time to meet and discuss what they know and don't know about the problem, and then share out what they know or don't know. So this will give you like the first 10 days, and again, you can modify this to fit with your schedule and the group of students that you're working with, but it gives you an idea of how you might start approaching the first 10 days. And so I'll continue to give you these little videos that can kind of give you a little walkthrough of some of the documents and resources I'm sharing, and you can always contact me if you have any questions. Hope this helps.